Ongpin Chinese Deli, an episode of series, I survived a 15-hour food frenzy in the Philippines. Ongpin Chinese Deli is the last stop on our walking tour, located just down the street from the Welcome Arch on Ongpin Street. The deli might have gone out of business in the 80s, had it not been for owner Gerry Chua visiting the ice cream aisle of a local grocery. Finding out that ube, purple yam, was the store's most popular ice cream flavor, Chua set out to create an ube-flavored hopia pastry that later set the local hopia world on fire. Some of the bloggers ask about the purple-colored fire trucks we pass along the street on the way back to the Binge Bus. Ivan explains that the Chua family, having grown wealthy on their ube-flavored hopia, are now contributing purple trucks to the local fire brigades. These fire brigades are unique to Binondo, Ivan notes wryly. I don't think other Chinatowns have a separate fire brigade like in Binondo. They can trust their government. 628 Ongpin Street, Binondo, Manila, location on Google Maps. Telephone, +63 2288 8888, site, www.ingbeaten.com.